Hi everyone, for today's video, I will show you how to graph the inverse function. Let's illustrate the graph of the given one-to-one function and its inverse. So, the given is f of x equals 3x plus 1. So guys, dito, ang unang gagawin natin ay kukunin muna natin yung inverse ng given function na to. Okay? So, f of x equals 3x plus 1. Diba, we have 4 easy steps. Step 1, f of x replace with y. So, gagawin mo lang y yan. Yung f of x natin. And then, copy the equation, 3x plus 1. And then, step number 2, interchange the position of x and y. So, y becomes x. And then, x becomes y. Plus 1. Okay? And then, step number 3, ang gagawin natin dito guys ay solve for y in terms of x, no? Okay, so pwede tayong move na lang dito sa kabila. I-transpose natin si positive 1. This becomes minus 1 equals 3y. Or pwede namang 3y, lipat ko, magiging negative 3y. Si positive x magiging negative x. And then, mag-divide tayo doon ng negative 3. So, mas maganda ganito na lang para hindi na kayo mahirapan. And then, to get rid of numerical coefficient, let us divide all terms by positive 3. Okay? Kasi 3 yung numerical coefficient niya rito, guys. Ayan. By the division property of equality, divide all terms by positive 3. And then, cancel. Cancel natin yan. So, this is now equal to y equals x minus 1 over 3. And then, step number 4, yung y natin dito, gagawin natin f inverse of x. So, the final answer will be f inverse of x equals, copy do, x minus 1 over 3. Or, if we wish to scatter, no, magiging 1/3 x minus 1/3. Pwede naman ganon. Okay? So, guys, ito na yung inverse ng f of x equals 3x plus 1. So, sulat natin dito, guys, para hindi tayo malito. So, f inverse of x equals x minus 1 over 3. Nakuha ba, guys? Okay. So, dito, guys, using table of values, maigagraph na natin to. Okay. First, let us assign the numbers using our table of values. Okay, let's use negative 2 up to positive 2, no? Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, positive 2. Okay, para makuha natin yung mga values ng y natin dito, we will substitute x equals negative 2 up to positive 2 in place of x in our original equation. Okay? So, if x equals negative 2, 3 times negative 2, the answer is negative 6 added by 1. Of course, it will give us negative 5. Nakuha ba, guys? And then, if x is equal to negative 1, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. Right? Plus 1, this becomes negative 2. If x equals 0, 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1, of course 1. And then, if x is equal to 1, 3 times 1 equals 3 plus 1, 4. Right? So, if x equals positive 2, so 3 times 2 equals 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, nakuha ba, guys? So, dito, guys, sa inverse natin, yung domain natin dito, magiging range natin dito. Okay? Sa inverse natin. Nakuha ba, guys? So, itong domain magiging range. Isusulat ko dito. magiging negative 2, negative 1, 0, positive 1, positive 2. And then, yung range naman natin dito, sa original function natin, magiging domain dito sa inverse natin. Okay? So, this becomes negative 5, negative 2, positive 1, 4, 7. Okay? Kasi inverse sila, no? Okay. So, ang next goal natin dito, guys, ay i-graph na natin or ipa-plot natin yung coordinates na yan sa Cartesian plane natin. Okay? Kasi ang goal natin dito ay i-graph natin yung inverse function. I'll be using red muna dito para sa original function natin. Okay? So, the first coordinate, negative 2, negative 5. Your x is negative 2. Your y is negative 5. So, ito yung y natin. Negative 2, negative 5. Pagtapatin lang natin ito, guys. Huwag kayo malilito. So, mas maganda, isulat natin yung coordinates para hindi kayo malito. Negative 2 and negative 5. So, guys, dapat inuuna natin yung value ng x, no? Okay. And then, next coordinate, negative 1, negative 2. Your x is negative 1. Yung y mo ay negative 2. Negative 1. And then, negative 2. So, guys, dito, ito yung x-axis natin. Ito yung y-axis, ha? Baka nakakalimutan. And then, 0, 1. Your x is 0, of course. Nandito sa origin yon. And then, yung y natin ay 1. So, 0, 1. Okay? Next, 1, 4. Your x is 1. Yung y natin ay 4. So, 1, 4. Next, your x is 2. Your y is 7. Your x is positive 2. Your y is positive 7. Nakuha ba, guys, kung paano mag-plot? Next, i-trace natin yung dots, yung mga points na yan, to form a line. Okay? Kasi ginagraph natin to. So, guys, ito yung graph ng original function natin. Sulat natin dito. F of x equals 3x plus 1. Okay. Next, i-graph naman natin to, guys, yung inverse ng original function natin. So, negative 5 and then negative 2. Your x is negative 5. Tingin lang kayo kay negative x-axis. Ito yun. Negative 5. And then yung y mo ay negative 2. Nakuha ba, guys? Yan. So, negative 5 and then negative 2. Next, negative 2, negative 1. Yung x natin ay negative 2. Ang y mo ay negative 1. So, nandito siya. Negative 2, negative 1. Okay, next, 1, 0. Your x is 1. Yung y ay 0. So, nandito siya. Yan. Ito ay 1, 0. Next, yung x natin ay 4. Yung y mo ay 1. So, nandito. Ayan o, y equals 1, x equals 4. So, ito ay 4, 1. And then, last coordinate natin, 7, 2. Your x is 7. Ang y mo ay positive 2. So, nandito siya. 7, and then positive 2. Okay. So, this time, i-trace natin yung mga coordinates na yan, yung mga dots. So, gamit tayo ng any straight edge para maging accurate yung graph natin. Ayan. So, guys, dito, meron ba kayo napansin? Okay, very good. Itong original function natin, okay, kapag i-graph natin to, tsaka yung inverse function ay symmetrical, no? So, which means, with respect to y equals x. So, the graph of each inverse is a reflection of the graph of the original function. So, the axis of symmetry is the line y equals x. So, nasan ba yung y equals x natin na yan? So, ito yun. Dadaan tayo dito sa origin natin. Pantay ba? Okay, dapat dumaan dito. Okay, trace natin yan. Okay, ito guys ay y equals x. So, yan yung tinatawag nating axis of symmetry. So, kapag graph natin yung original function tsaka yung inverse function, parang mirror, no? Yeah, reflection of each other. So, ganun lang kasimple mag-graph. So, ang gagawin muna natin, kunin natin yung inverse ng original function. Mag-assign tayo ng numbers using table of values, and then interchange mo yung x and y, and then, or y and x. And then, after that, i-graph na natin to, or ipa-plot natin sa Cartesian plane. So, ito na yung graph ng original function tsaka yung inverse niya. Okay? So, kung meron kayong natutunan sa video ito, paki-like and share. Thank you for watching.